Good morning. Welcome to Tribune News on Q. We're live on Daily Tribune's Facebook, Tribune Now on YouTube, and Daily Tribune Official on TikTok. I'm Luis Kalingag, bringing you this week's top stories. Let's get started. Election day violence in Abra gunshots disrupted voting in Barangay Sagap, Banged, sending voters running from the precinct. The incident was caught in a video shared by Joaquin Enrico Valera Bernos. Another video showed alleged illegal ballot shading, which is under investigation. Duterte's Davao victory. Former President Rodrigo Duterte won the Davao City mayoral race with over 659 votes. Despite the ICC detention, his landslide win was seen as a strong message of support. The Duterte family also secured major positions in the city. The COMELEC has released the official top 15 senators for 2025. Bongo leads with over 27 million votes, followed by Bam Aquino and Bato de la Rosa. New faces like Erwin Tulfo and Rodante Marcoleta also made it into the list. The Court of Appeals voided Laila de Lima's acquittal and ordered a retrial. The court said the judge erred in relying heavily on a key witness recantation. De Lima's political future is now uncertain as legal battles resume. Patricia Yvonne Caunan has been appointed as the new OWA head. She replaces Arnel Ignacio and brings strong experience in labor policy and negotiations. Caunan called for unity in protecting OFWs through coordinated efforts. National University retained its women's volleyball title in straight sets over LaSalle. MVP Bella Belen led NU with 17 points, while Alyssa Solomon added 13. NU has now won 3 titles in 4 years. Celtics beat Knicks 127 and 102. Derek White scored 34 points as the Celtics forced a Game 6. Boston dominated the second half despite missing Jason Tatum. The Knicks still lead the series 3-2. Hapinoy gets Google AI Grant Social Enterprise. Hapinoy is among recipients of Google Organization's 27 million AI Opportunity Fund. The group supports sari-sari store owners with training and digital tools. The grant aims to boost AI skills for underserved communities. Emperador has acquired 470 hectares of vineyards in Spain and entered the Mexican market. The company posted growth in sales and volume in the first quarter. It continues to strengthen its global footprint despite market challenges. Singer Chris Brown was arrested in Manchester for allegedly assaulting a producer with a bottle. The incident occurred in a London nightclub in February 2023. Brown is currently preparing for his European tour starting in June. And that's all for now. Join us again tomorrow for your showbiz and entertainment wrap-up, only here on Daily Tribune's Facebook, Tribune Now on YouTube, and Daily Tribune Official on TikTok. Don't forget to catch the DTT show with Alwin Ignacio and Alex Brosas at 4 p.m. today and tomorrow on Diario Tirada's Facebook and YouTube pages. Once again, I'm Luis Kalingag, and this has been Tribune News on Q.